Looking for the perfect flooring for your pets? Discover Forna Cork's pet-friendly cork flooring. Cork flooring is incredibly resilient and durable, ideal for homes with pets. Its anti-slip properties mean less claw use, saving your floor from scratches. Apply 1 to 2 coats of Loba 2K Supra AT for extra scratch resistance, reducing damage by up to 90%. Why cork flooring is the best choice for pets? Stain and water resistant, protects against spills and accidents. Durable, stands up to daily wear and tear. Scratch resistant, hides scratches well, keeping floors looking new. Temperature regulation, warm in winter and cool in summer. Comfortable and quiet, soft underfoot and reduces noise. Anti-slip and resilient, provides a comfortable surface for pets to walk and rest on. Enhance your home with Forna Cork's pet-friendly flooring.